Hey guys, here's one tip I want you guys to avoid. Okay, here's one tip I want you guys to avoid. All right, do your own study. Right, when you talk about money, you talk about getting money, or you talk about a lot of money, see who reacts and how they react. Okay, because remember, if you've been learning from me, money is nothing but an energy. Right? You're only gonna get money, okay, is if you are providing a product or a service to other people. Right? Jobs don't get no money. Okay? Only way that you're gonna get money is if you're providing a service to others, or you're giving a product to others. All right? So here's what I want you to realize, friends. Okay? That people that are broke, right? Remember, broke is a mindset. So you can literally change your mindset and get rich, right? So people that are broke-minded, okay? People that are broke-minded, write that down. People that are broke-minded are very sensitive when you talk about money. When you talk about getting money. When you talk about spending money, all they got money for is their bills and wine. Okay? People that are broke-minded are very sensitive when you talk about money. Right? It's like you just whipped them and now they're crying. Right? So I'm in a program called MYEcon. Right? And it's only $35 a month. Anyone can pay $35 a month, right? But here's how it works. MYEcon is a business. And people quit businesses, period. They can't afford their auto ship. They don't see themselves, doing anything big with the business. They don't believe in themselves. So if you cannot pay, as an adult over 25 years old, you cannot pay $35 per month. If you cannot pay $35 a month, you shouldn't have a cell phone. You shouldn't have a Facebook account. You shouldn't have Instagram. You shouldn't have wigs on. You shouldn't be smoking weed, cigarettes, none of that. If you cannot pay $35 a month to better yourself, you're going to die in agony, you're going to die in lack, and you're going to die from some type of disease, because if you don't have $35, you stressing over money instead of strategizing over money. People that are broke-minded, right, are sensitive to money. You can't talk about money around them because they too sensitive. So you literally, as you grow in your business, ladies and gentlemen, as you become a leader, as you invest in yourself to understand a business, and you have business expenses, people make money in MLM from other people joining and buying products. No one makes money for free. Okay? So it's only $35 a month. And broke-minded people will not pay it. Broke-minded people will not pay the $35 a month. So what is there to be sensitive about? What is there to be compassionate about? If you are broke-minded, no one can help you change your mind but you. You need a mentor. You need some classes. You need a course. You need to go buy 100 books and read them and get rid of your iPhone. Only people that are broke-minded are sensitive when you talk about money. People that are broke-minded are sensitive when you talk about money. So, as you start to elevate, start to listen out for that type of language, right? You may say, oh, something costs $200. They may say, oh, I ain't got that type of money. What type of money? $200 fucking dollars? $200 is a type of money? That ain't no fucking money. But to broke-minded people, it's a lot of money. Ain't no reason to be sensitive to no broke people. For what? They're broke for a reason. Because they never invested in themselves. So why would you take time to be all sensitive to a bunch of people who don't even give a fuck about themselves? Who's not even sensitive to themselves? Okay? So remember this, friends. Broke-minded people are sensitive to money. People, I talk about money all the time. Okay? I used to be broke-minded. Thank God, praise God, that I changed my mind, and I'm continuing to change my mind. So now when I get more money, it don't go out the damn door. Okay? When you have a business, you run a business, you have your business expenses. You cannot send your child to daycare without paying for them. They will tell you to go home. You cannot live in your house if you have not paid your mortgage. The bank will take your house or sell your house or kick you the fuck out. Marshals will come. Okay? You cannot not pay your cell phone bill and still expect your cell phone bill to be on. It's the same concept. The phone company not going to say, oh, well, they going through hardship this month. We just going to keep it on for them, and hopefully they pay it in the next 90 days. They don't give a fuck about your situation. Nobody gives a fuck about nobody's situation. This is why I teach my team how not to have feelings. Because if you're sensitive to people and they're broke-minded and they're not moving towards changing their mindset, you can't help them anyway. If you're sensitive to money, you have a broke mind. And you have to change that immediately. Because that can cause you a lot of heartache. That can cause you a lot of pain. That can cause you ulcers and fibroids. Okay? You can have erection problems. Okay? So change your mind. Get this book called The 444 by Ash Cash. A young black man doing it. Making millions of dollars. Helping people change their finances. That's it. Ash Cash. The 444. I'm going to be training on that tonight, actually, on my channel. Okay? I'm going to be training on that tonight on my channel. The 444 book club review. Okay? With my team. So, make sure you join. And you get involved. You get the book. And you can read along with us. Okay? Be along with us. If you're not in MYEcon and you got $35 a month for the next 5 years, definitely get on board. Right? Or if you are broke-minded, come in hungry to learn how to change your broke mind to a rich mindset. If you're broke-minded, come in hungry. Right? Show us you're hungry. Right? Not complain. I don't want to hear no complaint. I don't give a fuck about nobody's situation. If you're not trying to change it, then I can't help you change it. Broke-minded people are sensitive to money. So that's a tip that you need to know as you're growing in life and you're talking about money and people start reacting. You can tell the broke people because they're not comfortable. Remember, people that are broke mind never have money for nothing. So it's like money in, money right out. Money in, money right out. As soon as they get $5, it go right out. As soon as they get $5, it's out. As soon as they get $10, it's right out. As soon as you get automatic deposit, automatic withdrawal. That's how they live. So they broke-minded. All you got to do is pick up a book and read it and change your mindset, friends. I am telling you, your mind is a terrible thing to waste. But once you learn the skill of growing, once you learn the skill of growth, investing in yourself, getting around the right type of people so you can win, believe me, you ain't going to be interested in being sensitive to money because you too busy getting money. I'm too busy getting money to be, I'm sensitive to the people who can't pay $35. Then you ain't run no business. I'm not recruiting people for free. I make money when I recruit people. Simple as that. Simple as that. As simple as that. When you recruit people, you make money. Nobody's out here recruiting for free, making free. What the hell? What's free money? You join for free, so I'm going to get paid for free? I don't know. Don't work like that. Right? But only the people who are interested in growth, those are the people that's going to follow me and listen to me. Everybody else going to be all sensitive. Oh, Tanisha, you're not sensitive to my feelings. I don't give a fuck about your feelings. Because most people been broke their whole fucking life, and they're going to continue to be broke and waste their life. So you want to go ahead and waste your life? You ain't going to be a part of my friends. I don't want you to be none of my friends. I'm interested in going and growing and getting myself and my children to the next level. If you ain't a part of that golden vision, then we can't even talk. We can't even say hi. I say hi different. A broke person and a rich person says hi differently. Different ways. Different energies. All right? Different tones. Okay? So hopefully I taught you something just now. And if you was that one that was sensitive to money, you have a broke mindset and you need to change it today, get the book called The 444 by Ash Cash. You go on Amazon, you can download my free app. Download the free app first, then go through my free app. Okay, then go through my free app, which is now going to be your free app, and you can get literally cash back for getting the book on Amazon. Okay, so join TanishaMarie.com. Get yourself involved with something that's going to push you to a better place financially, mentally, and emotionally. Because when you're broke, I'm telling you, your mental's fucked up, your emotions is fucked up. I'm telling you, hey, I used to be broke. My mental was fucked up, emotions was fucked up. Thank God I learned a skill. Thank God I'm willing to invest in myself. I'm going to the 10X Growth Con, Grant Cardone. That shit is $5,000. Broke-minded people would say, what the fuck? You crazy? I ain't spending no $5,000 to go to no goddamn conference. Okay, that's why they broke. Stay broke. No problem. Stay your ass broke. Don't worry about it. Winning ain't for everybody. Join TanishaMarie.com, guys. See you at the top. Because the bottom ain't nowhere for nobody to be.